how to cancel Remitly transaction on hold. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can cancel a Remitly transaction that is currently on hold, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to cancel a Remitly transactions that is currently on hold, all you have to do is go ahead, first of all make sure to launch the Remitly app. Now if there are any sort of transactions that you have, you can simply come to this reward section and then you'll be able to come to this transaction section over here, where you should be able to see all of the transactions that you have basically added over here. And if there are any sort of transactions that are currently on hold, all you have to do is simply go to that transaction, tap the cancel option, and then you should be able to cancel that specific transaction. This way you'll be able to cancel transactions that are currently on hold. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.